Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on and let you know when my fall home tour collaboration and Christmas home tour collaboration will be going on, the dates. For the fall home tour collaboration, I am going to have the videos go up for whoever wants to participate. That will be October 13th, which is a Saturday. And for the Christmas, like I told you before, and I'll come on one more time, I'm sure, to just make an announcement again as it gets closer. But for the Christmas home tour collaboration, those videos will go up on the 26th of November, because Thanksgiving is on the 22nd. So for people that decorate right after Thanksgiving, that gives 1, 2, 3 days to do what you want to do. But the ones that want to participate, that video for Christmas will be going up November 26th. So I can't wait to see who all wants to participate in this. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's always so much fun to go to every YouTube creator, anyone that does collaborations with people, to just see, you know, if you see a collaboration and there's 2 or 3 in a day, hey, more the better. I love it. I mean, you know, that's the fun of YouTube and collaborators and different YouTube creators, because you get to see so many different homes and what they do with them. So I cannot wait. Anyone that's interested in either one of those, just leave me a link down in my description box underneath this video, so I have an idea. And then also when they actually start going up, like for the one in October, when I see your videos go up, and it's just, it will be fall home tour collaboration hosted by Davita Lane. And then I'll know that you are doing the collaboration with me. Same with the Christmas. Then I'll put your channel in my description box below when you have that video up. Okay? Alright, I just wanted to let you know and give you the heads up again. Alright guys, take care. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon guys. Bye.